Mahindra XUV500 is a 7-seater SUV available in a price range of Rs 14.22 lakhs to Rs 20.07 lakh. It is available in 7 variants, a 2179cc engine. Mahindra XUV500 is offered in 7 variants. The base model of XUV500 is W5 and the top variant Mahindra XUV500 W11 option automatic transmission, which comes at a price tag of Rs 20.07 lakh. We bring you the list of accessories for your Mahindra XUV500, which will not only enhance its look and feel but also keep it safeguarded. XUV500 Intense Chrome Kit. Upgrade your base and mid variant XUV500 to high variant by Premium Chrome Kit. 9 different chrome parts available in a single combo kit. This kit will cost you Rs 10,681. XUV500 Body Side Moulding. Specially designed to complement the body lines of the new age XUV500, the molded guard protects the vehicle's body from scratches and dents. This will cost Rs 1,647. XUV500 17-inch wheel cap set, pack of 4. Customize your wheels with these arresting silver wheel covers to give your new age XUV500 an instant facelift with a simple snap-on fitment. This will cost Rs 2,212. XUV500 Tail Lamp Chrome Garnish Set perfectly matches the contours of the tail lamp, giving a premium look to the XUV500. No gaps, precise OE fitment. This will cost Rs 1,912. XUV500 Door Rain Visor Pack of 4. An essential sport accessory, rain visors keep the rain out while letting fresh air in. They also help in reducing wind noise when your window glasses are partially rolled down. This set will cost Rs 1,119. XUV500 Stainless Steel Tailgate Garnish. Superior quality OE grade chrome plating for long-lasting finish. Salt spray tested to avoid corrosion on the chrome plating. This will cost Rs 628. XUV500 Refresh Transparent Vinyl Mat. This mat will cost Rs 2,029. XUV500 18-inch OE black and silver diamond cut alloy wheel and hubcap. This set will cost Rs 13,906. XUV500 Sunshade Set Pack of 4. This will cost Rs 1,503. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your Mahindra XUV500. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessory, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.